Couple of boat restoration projects of where I've been lately. I've been a little busy with this. A friend of mine picked this up. It's a Cigarette 28SS. And then we picked up this Nova for parts boat. So, gutting everything out of this boat. Pretty much like everything. Going into this. The hull was pretty solid. Just needs a little bit of stuff. You gotta do some laying out on the inside, but the price was right, couldn't say no. Clean hull. A little bit of work to be done, but you know, figure I'll get some video of the whole process along the way. Ow. Hup. But yeah, no, she's bare as bare. But it won't be too bad. Got a complete boat over here for parts. And then here we got the boat I picked up. Yeah, so my buddy that owns the Cigarette over there, he's good with glass work and all that, so they've done a bunch of transoms and stuff like that. So I picked this 242 LS up in need of a transom for the right deal. So they're gonna help me out with it. So we've been working away at this, stripping her out. So try to get a good detailed video of the whole process in case, you know, somebody out there, you know, interested in maybe doing the same thing. Because paying a marina, they want crazy money for it, but yep, we got everything all stripped out. Got a few more things to strip out of the way, then it's almost there. But the boat overall was like immaculate, besides it needing a transom. And then when we got into it, realized looks like somebody did some bad patchwork at some point in time. We did find this here. So it looks like either somebody hit something at some point in time and there was a repair made, or they cut the hole too big. But yeah, I found this patch in the bottom, so I'm not too sure. Doesn't really look like a factory formula job, if you ask me. Well, it looks like maybe one sheet of glass in here, but as you can see, she's rotten as rotten can be, which should make for the removal nice and easy, because I mean, you can just grab it and peel it all away. So that's gonna be nice and interesting. But yeah, get everything almost all stripped up out of the way and just good to go. Yeah, and then figured since I got the motor out, we'll be doing a small build on this 454 mag, make 500 horsepower ish. Should wake her up a little bit. Started collecting some parts over here, make it sound a little better. Got rid of the big old swim platform and not putting that back on. I'm doing a aluminum style one, but no, yeah, stick around if you want to see. I'm going to try to document everything, get some videos, maybe see how the projects go. It's got quite a bit of work ahead of us between this boat and the Cigarette and stripping the Nova. So anyways, thanks for coming around.